Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 30, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. Now for this you'll need a SIM eject tool like this one, which comes provided with the device in the box. You can use that, or you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now I will warn you, with the paper clip, this tray is quite hard to push out compared to like other phones, so just keep that in mind. Sometimes paperclip might not be enough. So anyway, let's take off the case, and the tray is located at the bottom of the phone right over here next to the charging port. So it's this right here. You want to take your pin, place it in the little tray hole, and you want to firmly push it in. As you will see, the tray just comes out a little bit, and on the tray we have space for two different SIM cards. So you can place one on either side. You can use two of them or just one, and it doesn't matter which side you choose. When it comes down to putting a SIM card in there, just make sure you put it with the chip side facing outwards like I have, and from there we can insert it back into the phone. Now the card should start working immediately once inserted, so let's see if that is the case. Give it a second, and there we go. As you can see, enter a SIM pin, so I'm going to quickly confirm that to unlock it. And that is how you can insert your SIM card. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.